It's a quick late afternoon ride, early evening ride. We have a new upgrade I've hinted about a few times. Hey, an incher. Nice. So I have a new upgrade. Wait for the light. Have a look. Shinko 244. You see the tread there. So you're probably wondering, that's a motocross tire, isn't it? And yes, it is. So I'm not riding motocross. I'm not on a motorcycle, but I ride in the streets. And whenever there's a freshly paved street, it eats the soft rubber on the regular fat tire e-bike tires. Now the front tire is easy enough. It takes like literally 10 minutes to change the tire. And it tends to last me like 6 months or whatever. With the rear tire, the extra weight of the battery and freshly paved streets occasionally, it eats away in my rear tire very fast. Only lasts me 2 months, 3 months maybe. 2 months usually. I get a steady wear mark right down the middle of the tire, and it's like, yeah, I can't go a full season with tires like that. So I decided, well, I know my experience with cars, the tires last a very long time, and motorcycles should be about the same. So yeah, the tire I chose, the Shinko 244, has like a alternating motocross pattern, somewhat resembling the typical fat tire e-bike knobby tire, but with like bigger knobbies. Oh wow, ripping up the street. Pipes. Yeah, so it's got a familiar knobby pattern. It's kind of, I mean, to give you an example, I showed my mom. I changed only the Shinko on the, I put Shinko only on the rear wheel. So when I got the bike all done, I tidied everything up and flipped the bike back over off the handlebar jacks, and I had it up on the kickstand, and I said to my mom to say, hey, take a look, which tire is it? I said, I don't know, the front? No, it's the back tire. So to the average person, non-e-bike person, it looks kind of the same. I got the, in case you're wondering the size, I got the Shinko 244 and 3x16. You're wondering, that's a weird size. And motorcycle tires are sized by the rim, not by the outer diameter. So to match a 20-inch fat tire e-bike tire, you need 16-inch, because the rim of a 20x4 wheel is 16-inch in motorcycle sizing. So we're gonna make the left. We're not going far. This is a kind of a quickie update and diagnostic ride. I packed a water just in case, but I probably won't need it. So this Shinko 244 has stamped on it 45 psi. But I have it inflated to like 19 pounds. And it's stiff. And sure enough, the 3x16 tire, once inflated, fills out the gap, the space. And fits snug against the rim, and the width of the tire is perfect. Actually fits a little bit better with the kickstand. It doesn't, it fills out the size, but it doesn't balloon like the 20x4 e-bike tires do. So the tire is a little bit heavier. The treads are much thicker. Much thicker. So it should last me, I would say, maybe close to a year. I'm gonna guess. I might leave it this way, the e-bike tire in the front and the Shinko in the back. Because the only real reason I had for putting it on there was putting the Shinko on there was to reduce the amount of times I have to change the tire. Yeah, the chain jumped off again. I was doing a little more research on that. That's basically pretty sure it's a few points of wear and tear. The chain and maybe the derailleur pulleys. I'll have to inspect them better. I'll put the chain over here. That's the tire.